Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this face mask with a pocket filter. The beautiful thing about this face mask is that you're going to have the luxury of adding your own filter. Your filter can be a tissue paper, it can be a wooden, it can be a medical filter, whatever you deem fit. But in this video, I used a wooden as a filter. And then this cover part of it is going to let you breathe and talk the way you want and laugh out loud the way you want. So with this one, you're going to be free to virtually do everything. So with this face mask, you have your pocket filter. You can adjust your wire to fit your face. This face mask laps very well on the face. So if you want to know how I made this face mask, don't go anywhere, keep watching. And if you've not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And also feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Guys, let's do this. So I have a box right here. This box is 6 by 6. Here I'll come in by 2.5 and I'll come in by 2 inches on this other side. Coming over to this side, I'll mark 1.25. On this other side, I'll mark 1.5. Then I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect the points that I marked. Here I'm going to mark 2 inches. Coming over to this point, I'll mark 0.5 inch. Then with my curve ruler, I'm going to connect. Guys, we're done with the pattern. I'm going to cut out our pattern. So we have two patterns right here. One is going to be for the main face mask and the other one is going to be for the pocket filter. I'm going to cut off 1.5 cm from the pattern for the filter pockets. So I'm going to use this pattern to cut out the main fabric. So here it is, guys. I'm going to quickly take off the paper. So this is the filter pocket, this one is the outer mask, and then the other one is for the mask lining. So I'm going to take the right side of this fabric and place on the right side of the other fabric. I'm going to do this with 3 of them. And I'll go over to the machine and sew on a 1/4 inch mark. So I'm going to give it a notch. This will help it relax when I iron the seam, and I'm going to do this to 3 of them. Then for the filter pocket, I'm going to give a 1/2 inch mark. I'm going to fold twice. I'll do this on both sides. I'll iron and I'll run a stitch to hold it down. So that has been done, guys. I'm going to take the right side of the main mask and align it with the right side of the filter pockets. I'm going to hold it with a pin. I'm also going to take the right side of this one and join. Once that is done, I'm going to take it over to the machine and sew on a 1/4 inch mark. I'm going to sew this side of the project and also this side of the project. That is done. I'm going to give this a notch and I'm going to turn this inside out. Take your time and make sure you bring everything out. For the sides, I'm going to fold in 1/2 inch. I'm going to do this for both sides. Once I'm done, I'll use an iron to press it down. So I'm going to insert a wire here, and this wire is Darius wire 0.80 mm. It's a very flexible wire. You can adjust it to suit whatever you want. So I'm going to insert this. I'll use a pin to hold it. I'll push it to the edge to make sure it gets to the edge. Then I'll use a pin to hold it so it won't fall off. Of course, I'm going to sew it later. Then I'll fix the elastic. I'll take in about 1/2 inch of the elastic and I'll use a pin to hold it. I'll do the same thing on the other side. Then going over to the other side of this mask, I'll still repeat the same step. So once that is done, I'll take it over to the machine and I'll sew this right round. I'm going to sew it all around to hold everything in place. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you've not done that already. Until next time guys, keep crushing it. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.